Do you ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done? What if I told you that you could save 10, 20, or even 30 hours a week by letting AI handle your repetitive tasks? Sounds incredible, right? Stick around, because I am about to show you how to completely automate your business with AI. Welcome to Future AI, where we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we work, live, and grow. In today's video, we'll dive into the exciting world of business automation powered by AI. From streamlining workflows to boosting productivity, you'll discover tools and strategies that can save you time and help your business thrive. Why business automation is a game changer. Automation isn't just a luxury anymore. It is a necessity. In a world that moves faster than ever, businesses that embrace AI automation can outpace competitors, reduce costs, and deliver consistent results. Imagine automating tasks like responding to emails, scheduling meetings, and even managing your finances, giving you more time to focus on scaling your business. The key areas of automation. Let us break it down. Here are the key areas where AI can revolutionize your business. 1. Customer service. AI chatbots like ChatGPT can handle inquiries 24/7, keeping your customers happy. 2. Marketing. Tools like Jasper AI and Canva can create personalized ad campaigns and stunning designs. 3. Finance. AI-powered apps like QuickBooks automate invoicing and expense tracking. 4. Operations. Zapier connects all your apps, creating workflows that save time and eliminate manual effort. Tools you need to get started. Now, let us talk tools. Here is your ultimate automation toolkit for 2025. 1. ChatGPT. Handle customer queries, write emails, and brainstorm ideas effortlessly. 2. Zapier. Create automated workflows between apps like Gmail, Slack, and Trello. 3. Jasper AI. Generate high-converting content for ads, blogs, and emails. 4. Trello with AI add-ons. Manage projects with smart task suggestions. 5. HubSpot CRM. Automate sales pipelines and email follow-ups. The step-by-step process to automate. Here is how to get started with AI automation. 1. Identify repetitive tasks that take up most of your time. 2. Choose the right AI tools based on your business needs. 3. Integrate these tools into your workflow. Zapier is excellent for this. 4. Monitor and refine your automation process to ensure everything runs smoothly. Overcoming challenges. Of course, no system is perfect. The biggest challenge is learning the tools and adapting them to your specific needs. Start with 1 or 2 tasks, and as you grow confident, expand your automation processes. Remember, it is a journey, not a one-time setup. The future of AI automation. The future is bright with AI. Imagine virtual assistants managing entire teams, predictive tools helping you stay ahead of the competition, and fully automated systems that adapt as your business grows. The question isn't whether to automate it is when. And that time is now. AI is not just a tool. It is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Start small, experiment, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. Thanks for tuning into Future AI, where the future is now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite AI tools. See you in the next video.